Justin, we got hail. I don't know what's going on. It's a doozy. We need to let Dorothy loose. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I don't know if you can hear it. This is serious. This is serious satellite stuff. Woo. Park underneath the tree for cover. Lord have mercy. Higginsville's about to flood. We got hail, and you know about hail, it only comes with the F7s.
Pea size.
I saw some bigger ones. Look at them from us. Yep, I'm recording history right now. This is how we survived the F7 in Higginsville.
Some bitch is moving fast though.
Good.
What are we doing here?
We need it to be done so we can get our asses back there and pull that wire. Lord, leave us safe. Damn it! Whoa, it done split a tree in half back there. Yonder there by the Casey's.
Motherfucker is angry.
It's mad at you.
Some chemtrails, man.
Taking over.
Them clouds up, man.
Dude's that silver in them clouds. They done seeded them. I don't like it. Poor Higginsville getting taken over by the F7. Trees are coming down. Houses are being blown over. I just don't know what to do. Lord help us, please.